at the very crucial forefront. And as per the sources to NewsX, there is no possibility of a deputy chief minister in the new government formation. This is what we are learning so far, that the option to have a deputy chief minister is not looking like a promising one as far as the BJP's strategy is concerned. Remember viewers, many legislature meetings have been convened, and the meetings separately with the 48 elected MLAs have also held with the BJP's top brass and the party president of the national capital Virendra Sachdeva as well, while there were also deliberations being done if at all any MPs of the existing Delhi BJP could be the face of the chief minister, but that possibility seems to have been ruled out. Mehendi Garg, my colleague, is joining me live on the broadcast. Mehendi, now in fact, one big breaking that we are tracking at this point of time is that the possibility of having a deputy chief minister is ruled out, while the names that have been starting up earlier of Parvesh Verma and others has not been in the top contender, but replaced by Rekha Gupta, Ashish Sood and Jitendra Mahajan.
Well, indeed, Simran, as you know, the BJP has the one with the thumping majority in these assembly polls in the national capital. The speculations and deliberations were very high that who BJP will choose as their chief minister. But now, earlier there was speculations that Parvesh Verma, the candidate who won the elections against Arvind Kejriwal, can become the CM. Also, the deliberations were very high that any MP, the 7 MPs in the national capital, can also be chosen. But now, as per the sources to NewsX, the latest that we are tracking right now is that there is a chance that BJP comes with a surprise factor this time once again, and an underdog candidate chosen for the chief ministerial post in Delhi. And in these, speculations, the list that we are getting to know is Rekha Gupta, Ashish Sood, and also Jitendra Mahajan. So, the speculations are very high that BJP can choose the women face as the chief minister. So, in this list, we can say that Rekha Gupta seems to be on top into considerations can be appointed as the chief minister. So, yes, there were speculations about, other newly appointed MLAs as well, whether we talk about Parvesh Verma, Manjinder Singh Sirsa, Vijender Gupta. A lot of names were there in the list, but right now, as the swearing-in ceremony is, very near. Tomorrow is the legislature meet of the Bharatiya Janata Party. So today, according to the sources that we are getting to know, Simran, that the list has been shortened, and Parvesh Verma and all these leaders who were into the list have been ruled out now. But 3 names, Rekha Gupta, Ashish Sood and Jitendra Mahajan, are into considerations for the Chief Minister of the National Capital as of now. Yes, Simran.
Well, all right. In fact, Mehendi, I'll request you to kindly stay on with us, as what we are picking up now as per the sources is that Prime Minister Narendra